got some beads threaded to show you how to do an even count peyote tube. Now, I prefer to do, you can do odd, but I prefer even because you get a lovely flat end when you're finished. So I've added on, I think there's 8 beads here. What have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes, 8 beads, so it's even. And I'm just going to thread back through all of those beads again. So I'll just take my needle through all the beads. So I've gone around in a circle. And then when I pull it up, you see I've got my circle, but to pull it up easily, if I just go back through the first bead again, and then pull that up, see it makes a nice circle there ready to begin. Now the next thing that I want to do is, because it's peyote stitch, as you know, I'm coming out of the bead, I'm going to pick up a bead, I'm going to miss a bead, and I'm going to go through the next bead. Now I can just do it like this, but because I want the beads to go up in a tube, I'm going to have a little bit of help, and I'm going to put the beads on a dowel. Now if you don't have a dowel, I know we've all got knitting needles, so just pull out the knitting needles that you have and you can see, you know, what's a good fit. Now obviously you don't want it to be, see, that's too tight, that's no good. And this one, oh, this is good, this is a good fit. So see, that's a nice fit there. The beads, I can still keep my tension nicely, but they've still moved freely. So this is a great needle to start with. So I'll just begin now. I can hold my tension here, and I'll start with my first adding my first bead. So I'll pick up a bead like we always do. I'm going to miss this bead, and then I'm going to come through the next bead, just like normal peyote, but I'm going to make sure it sits going up the needle, then or up my dowel. So I'll pick up a bead, I'm going to miss a bead, and then go through the next bead. So I'm just going around the circle, make sure it's sitting in position, and you can sort of pull on your tension as you go. I'll pick up a bead, miss a bead, and go through the next bead. There we go. And now you can see I've come to, there's the first bead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up a bead, and just like before, I'm going to miss a bead and come through. But to get up to the next row, I need to what's called step up, which means simply I just need to go through that first bead that I added here. So I'll just step up through that bead, pull up my tension, and then I'm ready to go again. So pick up a bead. Now I'm missing this bottom bead and going through the next bead. So as you know, that one just, so it's easy now. And try and keep your tension tight as you go. Pick up a bead, miss a bead, go through the next bead. 2. Here's the next one. Pick up a bead, miss a bead, go through the next bead. So I only have to add 4 to this. So here we go. Now here we go. If I miss a bead and go through the next bead, then I step up through this one. So pick up a bead, miss a bead, go through the next bead, and step up on, which would have been the first one in the next row. And see, now I'm ready, and I'm up into the next row. So miss a bead and go through. So you can see it's actually quite easy and quite a bit of fun. Just make sure to keep your tension nice and firm as you go around. Miss a bead, go through the next one, and so on and so on.